Okay, so let's check out and see what's in the MANSPOT box. Of course, you have your shaving unit, you have your charging base with the cord, you have a couple different shaving guides. They have different sizes on each side, and you have a cleaning brush, and then you also have, of course, your user guide and your quick setup. So that is the MANSPOT. Check out the LED light. That is just really so cool. Okay, so I was really surprised how easy it is to snap on and snap off the different shaving guides. And I like that they're reversible on each side. So the beard that we're about to shave here, it is well overdue, but look how well it just glides right through that thick, stubborn hair. So easy, no pulling, no redness, and certainly no cutting. So although we are using our face, this is perfect for the entire manscape of the body, all the way down to trimming the growing hair and making it really nice and easy. So, such an easy, smooth shave that I really like it. So the next feature that I want to talk about is how easy this is to clean. So we're just popping off the guide. We're going to open it up and grab our little handy cleaning brush. But look at this. I've never seen a shaver do this, where you can full on open it up and brush all of that stubborn, thick, coarse hair right out, making cleanup so easy and easy to use. So I really like that about this, because that's probably one of the biggest things is once your shaver gets all clogged up with hair, it's hard to get it out. MANSPOT has thought of everything. They've got this so you can open it wide open and be able to brush it out. So you can do a wet shave, you can do a dry shave. It's totally up to you on however you want to do it. But having this be so easy to clean those ceramic blades, 10 times easier. So I really like, we have the LED light. I can hit the beard, we can hit the ears. Of course, you can shave anywhere on your body, your chest, your growing area, your armpits, wherever you want to get that Manscaped clean feel. But I really like this MANSPOT. It's a total premium body trimmer. Use it however you want, but definitely pick it up.